Welcome to The Explainer. So today, we are going to tear down and rebuild the entire blueprint for creating amazing, high-quality AI documentaries that you can actually monetize. We're getting past all the hype to give you a real step-by-step strategy that works.
You know, the promise is just incredible, right? The idea that you can create these professional-looking videos in just a few minutes. But, and this is a big but, there's a huge catch, a hidden trap, that can get your entire channel demonetized before you even make a single dime.
Okay, let's just break this down. On one side, you have the dream. It's fast, it's automated, it's cheap. But on the other side, you have the reality. Your content gets flagged as low effort, you get demonetized, and you could even run into some serious legal trouble over commercial rights.
So how in the world do you navigate this mess and turn that awesome promise into actual profit? Well, we're going to walk you through this complete 5-part blueprint. We'll start with the promise and the peril, build your strategic foundation, master the script, set up the production pipeline, and finally, turn those views into real revenue.
Okay, let's dive right into this first section. You see, the core challenge isn't just about making AI content. I mean, pretty much anyone can do that now. The real game is making content that YouTube actually respects and, more importantly, will actually pay you for.
And this right here, this is the golden rule, and it comes straight from YouTube's own policies. Your work, absolutely positively, must be transformative. You can't just be an AI operator who pushes a button and uploads. No, you have to be a director, someone who adds significant, undeniable human value to the final product.
All right, next up, your strategic foundation. Before you even think about generating a single image, you have got to build a solid legal framework. This is what's going to protect your channel for the long haul. This slide is basically your roadmap to staying safe. Think of it as your checklist for the 4 biggest risks out there. If you follow these points on transformative content, AI disclosure, reused content, and commercial rights, you're going to avoid all the common traps that get other AI channels shut down.
And this is a big one that so many people miss. If your business, your channel, whatever it is, starts making over $1 million a year in gross revenue, you are legally required by platforms like Midjourney to upgrade to a pro plan. Seriously, this isn't a friendly suggestion, it's a mandatory step to legally own the content you generate and avoid a massive copyright headache down the road.
Now, let's get into mastering the script. This is the crucial part where you shift from being just an AI operator to becoming an AI director. Because every, and I mean every, great video starts with a brilliant script. The process is actually pretty simple, but it is so powerful. First, you start with your human idea, the story you want to tell, the emotion you want to create. Second, you use the AI like a high-powered research consultant to go out and gather all the facts. And third, you structure it all into a production-ready dual-column script.
You see, to really command your AI, you don't just ask it generic questions. No, you assign it specific jobs. As you can see here, you can tell it, okay, now you're a deep researcher, and it will focus on facts. Then, now you're a narrative architect, and it'll focus on story flow. This turns a simple tool into a whole team of specialized experts working just for you.
And this brings us to a really cool concept, narrative intelligence. Honestly, this is your secret weapon for amazing voiceovers. By just embedding simple little text tags like pause or awe right into your script for a tool like 11 Labs, you can transform a flat, robotic voice into a dynamic, compelling, and human-sounding narrator. It's a game changer.
All right, now for the really fun part, turning that masterful script you just created into a visually stunning, finished documentary. This is where your vision as a director really comes to life.
So how do you get that polished, professional look where every shot feels like it's from the same movie? You use what's called the simulation production method. Just think of it like this. You build your virtual film set one time. That's your preset, with all your camera angles, lighting, and style, and then you just direct different actions, the seed prompts, within that same consistent world. So here's the assembly line. You generate your core visuals, and you make them dynamic with camera movements like a zoom out or an arc shot to create that motion. You smartly sprinkle in stock footage where it makes sense. Then, you generate that emotionally intelligent voiceover we talked about. And finally, you get to the most important stages, the human-led editing and sound design.
Hey, remember that golden rule from the beginning? Well, this final editing stage, this is your transformation gate. Your choices on the pacing, the cuts, the music, the sound effects, this is where you prove beyond a shadow of a doubt your creative input. This is how you secure your channel's monetization.
So you've followed the blueprint. You've made an awesome, compliant, and transformative video. Now let's talk about the final piece of the puzzle, and maybe the best part, how you actually get paid for all your hard work. Look, you never want to put all your eggs in one basket. AdSense from YouTube is a great baseline, but the real growth is going to come from a diversified strategy. Affiliate marketing for the very AI tools you're using, that's a perfect fit. And then high-value brand sponsorships become a real possibility once you've built that dedicated audience. And the AI's job doesn't stop once the video is made. You can leverage these exact same tools for a super powerful growth strategy. Use LLMs for keyword research and SEO, automate your research so you can keep a consistent upload schedule, and just let the AI handle all the grunt work so you can stay in that creative director's chair.
So, if there's one thing you take away from all of this, it's this. Real, sustainable success isn't about letting the AI do all the work. It's about you, the creator, stepping up and confidently becoming the AI director.
This blueprint makes creating incredible content not only possible, but practical. We've given you the map, we've given you the tools. The only question left is, what amazing story are you going to direct?
Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. And for more content, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon.